Are you tired of the daily chore battles? Wondering if your kids are actually old enough to help or what chores they should even be doing? Whether you've got toddlers or teens or a mix in between, this video is for you. We're going to talk about how to match the right chores to each age and stage in a way that builds confidence and actually gets stuff done. If you've ever asked yourself, what chores can my kids really do? Or how do I stop doing everything myself? You're in the right place. And make sure you stick around until the end because I'm sharing my top tip for choosing chores that kids don't complain about. Yes, it's possible. Let's kick off your new chore system by talking about the very first step, choosing the right chores for each age. Hi friends, welcome back to Systematic Mama, where we simplify family life one system at a time. I'm Christy, a homeschooling mom of 5, and today we're kicking off a 3-part series all about kids and chores. In this video, I'm sharing how to pick the right chores for each age so you can start strong and avoid overwhelm for you and your kids. We'll talk about how to think developmentally and why building confidence matters more than perfection, and how to set realistic expectations that grow with your child. By the end, you'll feel ready to choose age-appropriate chores that your kids can actually succeed at and that you can stop micromanaging. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications now so that you don't miss the rest of this helpful 3-part series. Let's start with why it's so important to match chores to your kids' ages and ability. When you get the balance right, not too easy and not too hard, chores become empowering, not overwhelming. If they're too easy, they're bored. Too hard, they get frustrated, and so do you. But just right, that's where the magic happens. It builds their confidence, teaches real-life skills step by step, and helps you avoid the constant nagging or having to redo everything. Here's what I've learned with 7 people in our house. Everyone pitching in matters. But it only works when the expectations are fair and clear for them and for me. This is how we set our kids up to feel capable now and prepare them to manage responsibilities as they grow. If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps me know to keep making content like this. Plus, it tells the algorithm to share this with other moms who might benefit so that we can help even more families. So what can kids actually do at each age? Let's walk through some typical abilities. But remember, these are just guidelines. They're not rules. You know your kids best, so use this as a helpful starting point. Ages 2 to 3, the toddlers. This age is all about doing it together. Think putting toys in a bin, wiping low surfaces, or helping you feed the pet. Keep it simple and fun. Ages 4 and 5, the preschoolers. They're ready to take a little more responsibility. They can make their bed, kind of. They can match socks from the laundry, and they can clear their own dishes after meals. Ages 6 to 8, early elementary. This is when you'll really see independence kick in. Kids this age can take out small trash bins, help load or unload the dishwasher, sweep, dust, or water plants. Ages 9 to 12, the teens. Now they're capable of more complex tasks like folding and putting away laundry, cleaning bathroom counters, or prepping simple meals and snacks. Ages 13 and up, the teens. At this point, they can handle adult-level chores. So vacuuming, mopping, deep cleaning, or taking full ownership of a zone in the house, like the kitchen or the bathroom for the week. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. So chores should stretch them just enough so they keep building skills without getting discouraged. And when everyone has clear, age-appropriate roles, the whole household runs more smoothly. So how do you actually decide which chores to give each child? Start by looking at your own home. What needs to happen daily or weekly to keep things running smoothly? That's your starting point, the real needs of your family. Next, consider what your kids are already doing or trying to do. If your 5-year-old loves helping you unload the dishwasher, then build on that. And when you assign chores based on what they already show interest in, you're setting them up for success. Now pay attention to their personalities. Some kids love the structure of routines, and others need a little more variety. So notice what they resist too. Resistance doesn't always mean they can't. Sometimes it just means they need more coaching or encouragement. In our house, I've learned that rotating a few chores each week helps the burnout and boredom. It also gives my kids a chance to try new things and build confidence over time. Once you've picked some age-appropriate chore ideas, the next step is making sure they're actually a good fit and how to help your child succeed with it. So here are a few quick signs that a chore is right for your child. First, they can do it with little help after a few tries. Second, it challenges them just enough, but it doesn't overwhelm. And 3, it can be added to a routine and done consistently. If those 3 things are true, then you're on the right track. But even the right chore can go sideways without the right support. So no matter what your child's age is, success really comes down to a few key things. Show them how to do it. Don't just tell them. Let them see it done well. Keep instructions short and clear that they can actually remember. And keep your expectations consistent so they know what success looks like. And most importantly, celebrate progress, not perfection. Chores aren't just about getting things done. They're powerful tools for building life skills, confidence, and a strong sense of teamwork in your family. One small win at a time. And if you know another mom who could use a little less stress around chores, share this video with her. It just might make a big difference in her home. You can use the share button below this video to text it, email it, or even send it through Messenger. Whatever's easiest for you to help spread the word. Busy moms, Thrive Life makes dinner easy and healthy with freeze-dried meals ready in seconds. Real food that saves time, money, and stress. Perfect for your family and your budget. Link is in the description if you want to learn more. Now here's my top tip, my secret weapon for cutting down on chore complaints. Rotate a few chores each week. It keeps things fresh, avoids burnout, and helps kids try new things. Doing the same chore every day can get really old fast, even for adults. By mixing it up, that makes it feel new again. This one simple shift made a huge difference in our home. Everyone's more willing to help because it doesn't feel like a chore that they're stuck with forever. Try picking a handful of age-appropriate chores and rotate them weekly, and you'll be surprised at how much smoother things run. Remember, you're not failing if it doesn't click right away. You're teaching your kids life skills, not just assigning tasks, and progress truly does matter more than perfection. Now that you know how to choose chores that your kids can actually handle, you might be wondering how to organize it all and get everyone on board. That's exactly what I'll show you in the next video in this series, where I'll walk you through the exact system we use to stay consistent, how we organize, rotate, and keep the chores running without the constant reminders. You won't want to miss it. If you're enjoying this series, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss it. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one chore your kids actually enjoy, or one that you were surprised they could even do? Drop a comment below. Also, later in the series, I'll be sharing a printable chore kit with chore lists by age, editable charts, and our zone rotation system. If that sounds helpful, stay tuned. And if you made it to the end of this video, drop me a broom emoji to let me know that you're still here. And remember, simplifying family life is a journey. Let's take it one system at a time together. You're doing amazing, Mama, and I'm cheering for you every step of the way. Until next time, keep thriving.